Actually, almost back to the early 80s, we've used the PQ Square program. We use all of the programs provided from NATCA, but it really didn't give us the simulation that we were trying to achieve a new tooling to see exactly what would be the results if we gated a casting a certain way.
What we learned by using MagmaSoft is that some of our gating systems that we have in place have been so outdated, and we had problems all along all these years with these castings because we didn't visualize what's happening in the mold during the mold fill.
It is actually part of our standard sales presentation to show a potential customer that, hey, we do have this tool, we do have this ability to help guide design or process development right up front. We think it's that much of a good sales tool.
It's a critical tool to reducing time to market, reducing overall product cost, and it's something that we could no longer do without.
Something that took a number of weeks to sample was still unfavorable results we solved in a week, and I think we've made probably 5,000 castings since then without a single scrap casting.
After MagmaSoft, you know, we would get the results right away, which could, on a typical job, could save us 1 to 2 months.
That's what customers are looking for. They simply want to pick up the phone and place a purchase order and have the right parts show up at the right time. And the only way to achieve that is with excellent engineering, and part of that excellent engineering is having tools like Magma to help you achieve those goals.
It's helped me define smaller gates, smaller runners, better process operating window, better cooling line locations, and better overall die design.
Certain critical castings that we produce for the customer, we were operating at 17% scrap, and after running the analysis on MagmaSoft, we were able to reduce that scrap to something less than 2%. And some of these parts are very critical and cost around $5,000 a piece, so it's a large amount of money, and MagmaSoft definitely saved us a lot of money.
It reduces scrap, it reduces our time to market, It allows us to get jobs up and running faster, so it has a direct impact on profitability.
We're both saving the customer money and ourselves money by not doing 10 different samples at $1,500 a sample. We'll cut it down to 2 or 3, plus when the customer sees the design and we do the flowability of the casting using MagmaSoft software, we're seeing we don't have to cut the tooling, we can save on time and effort, so everybody saves money together as a whole.
What MagmaSoft does is it gives us that ability to, so to speak, run the tool or sample the tool before the tool is really ever built.
Our first shot success right now is a little above 99%, and I'm talking 99% not only at fill of the casting, but the cosmetic appearance of the casting, and also the process requirements of the casting.
MagmaSoft as a tool within our company, it's just invaluable. The end product, the end design of our tool is just so much better.
MagmaSoft is probably the single most important tool that we have to finalize the runner system, the cooling system, and the overall die design.
With Magma, basically we don't make any changes. And once we set our gating based upon all the parameters of the simulation, it is a rare scenario where we change any of our gating in the tooling or the overflows or air vents.
Companies who aren't using MagmaSoft probably aren't getting the full benefits of flow and thermal analysis, and in the future that's what's going to lead to improved product and reduced cost.